Assalamu alaikum kids. Now it's our English time, and in English we are going to go over the V sound. The V sound. And look here. What do we have here? Let's go over all these things and see which one are starting with V sound. This is was. Was. आप भी कहें was. What is the beginning sound of was? It's v. Was. आप भी कहें was. Very good. And what is this here? This is jam. So what is the beginning sound of jam? Is it v? No, it's not v. Very good. And what is this here? These are vegetables. So what is the beginning sound of vegetable? Is it v? Yes, it's v. Vegetable. आप भी कहें v. Vegetable. And then what we have here? This is a kite. Kite. So what is the beginning sound of kite? Is it v? No, it is not v. Then we skip it. हम छोड़ देते हैं. Let's go and see what we have next. Next is Vaseline. So what is the beginning sound of Vaseline? Is it v? Yes, it's v. Vaseline. Very good. So now you remember the V song? You remember the V song? Okay, let's do the V song again. Go down right, go up right. Go down right, go up right. Raise your hands, keep them tight. Raise your hands, keep them tight. Wow, that's a good song. Okay, would you like to do two more words and find out if their beginning sound is V or not? One is lamp. Is the beginning sound of lamp is V? No, you are right. And let's find out about another sound. Vest. So is the beginning sound of vest is V? Yes, the beginning sound of vest is V. Very good. Now you write V in your copy and draw something that starts with V. Allah Hafiz.